Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we're in Scottsdale for Arizona Car Week. Half of you are gonna kill me for saying that because it's not Car Week. But we got a pretty good lineup of cars. We brought the Chiron out today. We have the GTX one, the Zonda, which cannot go on the road sadly or else I'd be driving it, and the Speedster, so the Chiron was the obvious choice. We got a really cool lineup, a lot of Bugattis, a lot of McLarens, one egg, really nice TDF actually. It'll just be a fun time, a good drive, and we'll walk you through kind of how these events go.
What's up, guys?
It's upside down. There you go. Look at that, Brandon.
One of your good friends. This is Maximo Smith from. He doesn't know my address. See, it's embarrassing himself right now.
Okay.
I just smile.
Okay.
Do I need a mic on?
No, this is fine.
Okay, okay. All right.
Wow.
Bro, I'm smiling.
This is Max from BMF Collection.
No, just say I'm one of your friends.
So what am I gonna say when I walk past your car?
Oh, this is BMF Collection's car. I'm just one of your friends. I'm one of your friends.
Remember you did a face reveal on my live?
Oh yeah.
With Ajay, and
was
you're
really
like,
awkward.
what the fuck?
It was at Chipotle.
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
What are we doing?
we are about to start the drive. We showed up, little mini car show. I don't even know. These Ray-Ban Meta glasses.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see how they do with the PO visuals. Nice little turbo blow off noise. We got the POV glasses.
Right.
We got Apex Pixel, aka Curb Muncher. Again, really stoked to be out here for this day. Really nice sunny day in Arizona. Very blessed to be able to do this. Let's go enjoy some cars. So good, fuck. Oh, there's totally blocking traffic. Fire. Woo! Yeah.
That's a lot.
Oh, I mean, that doesn't sound bad, right?
No, not too bad.
Trying to get behind this SP3.
Oh yeah. Let me film forward for a sec. That's nice, right there. Nice.
What does that sound? That sound that looks nice and pretty right there. SP3 is a car I could definitely see coming in the collection at some point.
Oh yeah.
We got Jeff Miller's nice, brand new Agera RS.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Nice little pretty thing. Nice little SVJ. Revuelto. Nice GT3 too, to be honest. Got a Pure Sport behind us.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Guys, half of these drives are not following the route at all, and then just following the one person who may or may not know the route. And if they know it, great. If they don't know it, you're on a new route. This 750 actually is kind of like the Apollo, where it's red carbon fade. It's actually really pretty.
It's really nice in the sun.
It is.
The Waymo car.
Yeah, I think he wants to race.
He blinked. I just get in the studio and I cook, you know.
Start cooking down in the stew. We're gonna hop behind our friends over here at BMF Collection.
Yeah.
And sit right on his ass.
Crooked plate frame.
Yeah, doesn't know how to put it on. Figure out how to drive.
That's crazy. That stack right there, the two.
Lights up, get any greener!
Oh, we're going to jail. Actually, oh my god! Dude!
Damn!
I was not expecting that.
That sounds good. Man, check out this GT Torres Club Sport right here.
Oh yeah.
This thing is nuts. Dude's just ripping on the road. Yo! No copyright, bro. No copyright. Play some Alan Walker.
Oh. You can't see it, but it sounds so good.
Just straight turbo noise.
Yeah.
That's all it is. All right, we got back-to-back Pure Sports right here. Another Jeff Miller car. It's a pretty good collection. What you trying to do? Yeah?
Talk dirty to me. Look at this side by side. Oh boy.
We'll probably need to roll up the windows for this. They're actually going to roll up automatically.
feel that fast.
It didn't.
And then
it wasn't that fast, guys. It was not that fast. The speedo said 65
like
miles an hour.
70 maybe. That sent us sticks on your ass.
Oh, yes. Maybe it's Killer S? Yeah.
Oh, yes, please.
Holy elbow, down the inside.
My pants are wet. Ooh, that brake action's oh my god. Holy shit, dude.
Dude, I'm telling you, the weirdest part about this car is it picks up
It got faster.
in a certain gear after a certain speed.
Dude, I've never experienced that. Dude, that's weird. Because
It's wild.
It doesn't even feel like it's that crazy.
It doesn't.
Oh my god.
This is such a cool combo, Tour S and the Senna. Tour S, Club Sport, and the Senna.
It's on slicks.
It's on
We've
slicks.
said that like 8 times, but
And he is ripping this thing. That's what you love to see.
Dude, that 2RS though.
That Tour S is pretty sexy going.
Yeah.
We got an elbow on our left, upcoming right there.
Oh, hey.
Go ahead, Jeff. And a Pure Sport.
Oh, wow, that's cool. That was a
There it
baby
is
one.
again.
That was a baby one.
There it is again.
Oh, the air brake is sick.
Guys, what should we put on the underside of the Chiron air brake? Because I think something funny would be amazing. Okay, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, so we just did a nice little rally with a few fun cars, but now we were thinking what better to do than to reach out to one of the subscribers and see if they're open for a ride. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna see how he likes it. Yeah, have a good day. So this is Lance Autos, I think? Lance Autos on Instagram. He actually responded to one of the community posts on YouTube, and we had a little bit of extra time out here in Scottsdale, so we decided, why not go for a ride? So we're gonna take Lance out for a little joyride in the cracked out Rolls Royce, and we're gonna have a fun time. Let's go.
This is unreal.
What's the
in a
fastest
Bugatti.
car you've been in?
I've been in a newer Ford GT.
Ah, those are great cars.
Mm-hmm.
You have a favorite car?
Main dream car is the Aventador. My
Car.
ultimate hyper dream car is a Senna.
Senna's are cool, man.
Yeah.
If you take them on track, they're a lot of fun.
Oh my. That is loud. You gotta be joking.
What do you think?
That is incredible. I've never even seen a Bugatti on the road.
Oh, really?
Now I'm in one. That's crazy. Right, yeah.
Yeah. So it's like,
Oh my god. Got the angle low. This is insane. It's awesome. Thank you so much.
yeah, of course.
I don't even know how to describe it. I've never seen a speedometer move that fast before.
Yeah, exactly. We got ride number 2.
Now it's Brandon's time to go in the Chiron. I was asking him, like, what would be your option? Lance said Zonda R. I can't really blame him for it. Well, let's go. Cool. It actually gets faster after 100 miles an hour because the second turbos kick in.
How long have you had the Chiron?
Had this car for about a year. If you had to pick one car in the collection to go in, what would it be?
I don't know, it's pretty hard between this and the Apollo. Obviously is insane.
I guess my buddy Max.
Say, where you at, bro? Pull up.
Oh,
Try
right
to
there.
pull it. All right, big dog. Love you.
Peace, kid. He's in a Chiron.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's BMF collection.
Oh, nice. Oh my god. Wow. Definitely was not expecting this
Brandon and the Chiron. What do you think?
Insane, man. Appreciate
Yeah.
that. It was unbelievable.
Well, I'm glad I shared that experience with you.
Yeah, of course, man. Appreciate that.
I'll see you later tonight, actually.
Oh yeah, of course.
So you guys just saw earlier the rides, and now we're at the Echelon Auto Sports Show.
Auto Sports, Supercars at Sunset. We're kicking off Arizona Car Week.
There it is.
Show's been going on for about 25 minutes now, and it's already packed.
You guys should pick it up.
All right, guys, we forgot the jumper battery, which you.
Yeah, who forgot this?
Well, Maddox decided to leave at 4 in the morning, so I
Yeah.
couldn't really put it. Did you unclip the buckle?
All right, so these guys are in for a surprise right now. This is gonna be really freaking loud.
We did it, boys!
Meanwhile, Devino's over here just letting people chill in the car. I like it.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand
It actually has CarPlay, yeah.
Actually, it's CarPlay. That's definitely not stock.
Tryna
Wow,
play
the
me,
light
they
on
ain't
this thing
no
is so
better.
high.
Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber.